Hi there, my name is Cheyenne, and I'm looking forward to being everyone's classmate and student. I currently am a part of a mental health agency in California where my role is a mental health counselor. I am in the education department, so I help kids who are struggling emotionally, mentally, academically, and behaviorally. We do have certain sites where we run the entire school, and then there's other programs where we just have a classroom or two on a mainstream campus. I typically work at the high school, which is an all-inclusive, like everyone at that school is in the program. But right now I'm a support staff at an elementary school, and that is on a mainstream campus, so I'm helping with that. Um, a lot of our kids come in with mental health concerns and behavioral concerns, and so we help to facilitate that while they're at school. I am currently a part of a treatment team, and sometimes we come up with diagnosis ideas. On my team is a slew of other counselors, therapists, clinicians, and school staff. So we all work together as a team and we come up with the best plan for individualized support. Sometimes there is something that's called an IEP, that stands for an individualized education plan. And what that does is it is kind of a contract through the district, and it helps to put certain services and supports in place for the individualized kid to help them get the best that they can out of their education. So sometimes they'll pull us into those meetings and get our take on certain diagnoses or medication or services and supports that the district can offer to put in place for these kids. I don't know if I'd quite work with a practitioner on this. We do have some psychologists and psychiatrists that come in that we do work with in conjunction to the support that I can provide as a mental health counselor. But those are far and few between. It's not very common for us to work directly with a practitioner, but I'm assuming there are people on my current team that talk with them, like the therapist, but I'm assuming it's slightly more confidential than my role as a counselor. So, yeah, again, I'm excited to meet everyone. This is a topic I'm really excited to get to learn as we dive deeper into social work together. So, nice meeting everyone. Hope to talk soon. Thanks. Bye.